So good morning everyone. Children, today we'll discuss the back exercise of chapter number 8, cell structure and functions. And we had already discussed the part of the cells, that are the major three parts of the cells are there, and rest the organelles of the cell which floats in the cytoplasm. After that, we discussed the difference between the plant and animal cell. The difference between the plant and animal cell has been discussed. And after that, the diagram, you have differentiated plant and animal cell on the basis of the diagrams even. So today, chapter ends and we are going to discuss the back exercise. So your first question is indicate whether the following statements are true or false. So you may tell one by one. Kindly raise your hand and kindly switch on your cameras, children. First is unicellular organism have one celled body. Yes, Akriti. Yes, it is true. So children, you may write down
Ma'am, true.
that it is true.
Ma'am, true.
Okay. Next is it is true. Muscle cells are branched. So Harshit,
Ma'am, false.
it is false. Muscle cells are not branched, only the neurons, the nerve cells are branched. Next, the basic living unit of an organism is an organ. Yes, yes, Sarthak.
Ma'am, false.
Yes, it is false. So basic living unit of an organism is an, what we can say here, instead of organ, what will be there? It will be a cell. Okay, the cell will be the basic structure. Next, amoeba has irregular shape. Is it true?
Ma'am, true.
Yes, it is true. So amoeba has irregular shape. It has a false feet. With the help of that false feet, it catches its prey. Next is make a sketch of a human nerve cell. What function do it perform? So children, you can make the sketch of it. Yes, Veronica. What is the function of nerve cell?
Ma'am, the function of nerve cell is to receive and transfer messages. It helps to control and coordinate the working of different part of our body.
That is the function of a nucleus. तो nerve cells का क्या function है? It helps in transmitting the messages. Okay, helps in the transmission of the messages. Okay, next is question number 3. Write short notes on the following. So chapter 2, question number 2 we have done. You have to write a short note on the cytoplasm and nucleus of the cell. So kindly tell me, what do you mean by cytoplasm? What is a cytoplasm? Yes, Sarthak Sehgal.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, tell. Yes.
The jelly-like substance between the nucleus and the cell membrane is called cytoplasm.
Okay. Khushi Arora, kindly repeat the same.
The jelly-like substance present between the cell membrane and the nucleus is known as cytoplasm. Various other components or organelles of cells are present in the cytoplasm.
Yes. So you can say that jelly-like substance between the cell membrane and the nucleus is known as cytoplasm, and various organelles float in the cytoplasm. Okay. Next is nucleus of a cell. So how can you explain the nucleus of a cell? Yes, Aryan Shinde. What do you mean by
It
the
is
nucleus?
an important component.
Yes.
It is an important component of the living cell. It is generally spherical and located in the center of the cell. It can be stained and seen easily with the help of microscope. Nucleus
Okay.
is separated from the cytoplasm by a membrane called nuclear membrane.
Okay.
This membrane is also porous and allows the movement of materials between the cytoplasm and inside the nucleus.
Okay, children. So this is a function of nucleus. Next is, so you may write down one thing, that nucleus is known as the brain of the cell even. Okay. Next is, which parts of a cell contains organelles? So only one word you have to write for it.
Ma'am, cytoplasm.
Yes. Cytoplasm is there. Okay. Question number 4. Cytoplasm is there which contain all the organelles, and you know all the organelles perform its functions. Next, number 5. Make sketch of animal and plant cell. Already you have done. So, and 3 differences between them. So give one difference, Harshit Singh, between the plant and animal cell. Kindly give one difference. Another difference will be given by Kashish.
Ma'am, can I?
First
Ma'am,
difference
can
will
I?
be, yes, Harshit Singh, and after that Sarthak Sehgal and Kashish. Kindly give the difference.
Plant cell, ma'am, plants and cell contain photosynthesis. They don't need food. They need sunlight, air, and water.
Okay.
And
And you, on the other way, you
Ma'am,
can say plant cell are autotrophs. Plants are autotroph and animals are
ma'am,
heterotrophs.
plant cell contain cell wall and
animal does
animal
not
has
contain
only
photosynthesis.
cell membrane.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am,
So additional wall,
plant cell,
one by one, one by one. Yes, Sarthak Sehgal, tell
Plant-
now.
Ma'am, plant cell cover 90% of it and animal cell doesn't.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, plant cell has cell wall and animal cell
Does
has
not
only
have.
cell membrane.
Yes, the additional wall is their cell membrane. Vacuoles. You can give the difference between the vacuoles. Size of vacuole is much larger in the plant cell as compared to the animal cell. Okay, children. Next question number 6 is there. The difference between the eukaryotes and prokaryotes already you have done. You have to give one difference of the this definition, and other difference is of
Ma'am, the cells having nuclear material without nuclear membrane are termed as prokaryotic cells.
yes, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Next comes, where are chromosomes found in the cell? Kindly raise your hand. State their function. Where are chromosomes present in the cell?
Ma'am, chromosomes are in the nucleus.
Yes, chromosomes are present in the nucleus and they help in the inheritance. They carry the characteristics from parents to the offsprings. So 7th question done. 8th question, cells are the basic structural unit of living organism. So you have to explain it. Why it is so? Why it is said? Yes, Khushi, can you tell? Why it is said that
Ma'am,
cell?
can I?
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, because it is smallest block of life.
And it perform all the basic functions of living organisms.
Ma'am, cell in the living organism are complex living structure unlike non-living.
No, but it is a basic structure, and a cell has been compared with the brick of the wall. Okay. Next is number 9. Question number 9. Explain why chloroplasts are found only in plant cells. Yes, Veronica. Why that chloroplast is found only in the plant cell?
Ma'am,
What's
chloroplast is only found in plant cell because it gives plant a greenish color to it.
Yes, so it is chlorophyll is a green colored pigment which is present in the leaves, and leaves helps in the preparation of the food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, next is, so these are the question till 9. Now this is a crossword that we have to do. Let's fill it. Across you have to do. This is necessary for photosynthesis. Number 1,
Ma'am, chlorophyll.
chlorophyll. So children, write down. Yes, write down for it. This is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. The first is chlorophyll. Next, the term for component present in
Ma'am,
the
organelle.
cytoplasm. Number 3, organelle.
Organelle.
Okay, children, fill here organelle. Organelle, organelle. Next, living substance in the cell. Number 6,
Ma'am,
protoplasm.
genes.
Yes, protoplasm. 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 Next is number 8, unit of inheritance present on the chromosomes.
Ma'am, genes.
Genes. Genes. Genes. Genes are there. Okay. Next is downwards now. See downwards. Green plastids. What you can
Ma'am,
see?
chloroplast.
Chloroplast. Okay, write down. Chloroplast. Children, fill in downwards. Chloroplast. Next, formed by the collection of tissues.
Organ.
Organ. This is number 2. Organ. Organ. Next, number 4. It separates the compound content of the cell from the surrounding medium.
Ma'am, membrane.
Membrane.
Okay, membrane. Number 4, it is membrane. Downwards, you can write down. Membrane. Number 5, empty structure in the cytoplasm.
Ma'am,
Vacuole.
It's vacuole. It's vacuole. Here you can fill vacuole.
Yes.
And last is a group of cells.
Ma'am,
Tissue.
tissues.
Tissues. So with this, your children, back exercise we have done. And kindly do it in your notebook now.